Hi everyone, hope you guys are doing great. So we will just be doing one quick test and then we're gonna start. So let me share my screen for now and let me wait till I get a hear back, I hear back the feedback on where we are. And so today's topic is very unique. Unique in the sense that okay, great. So we are really good today and everything seems fine. I hope the software won't make a mess for us today's session because it's very valuable session about Zoho One. Well, before I start, I just want to give you an overview of what exactly we will be talking about. What is the problem here? The problem with businesses is that they use multiple softwares to do multiple things in their business processes, right? Bookings, custom apps for taking surveys, CRM management, marketing, yeah, SMS marketing, support desk, and a lot of things. You name it. There are multiple verticals that the businesses are dealing with, and to cater those or to overcome those challenges, what they do is basically they sign up for different apps. Now this becomes very burdensome in terms of dollar value because the ROI is not efficient because you are paying like good amount of money in just subscriptions and you don't have everything in one place. Then you need someone to develop the integration between the systems. Well, what is a solution for your challenges? What tool can help you minimize your number of app dependencies? Well, the solution is Zoho One. Zoho One is a combination of 40 plus apps. Okay, so we will be talking about how one window solution for business is can help your business streamline and become less dependent on external apps. So the first thing first, table of content. So we will be going through the company overview, introduction to Zoho One ecosystem, key features of Zoho One solution for business functions, Zoho One for different business sizes, prices of Zoho One, benefits of Zoho One implementation process, case studies, Zoho One versus competitors, why choose Zoho One, demo, like we will go through the interface of Zoho One, conclusion, and we will then be open for question and answers. So first thing first is our introduction. We are an ERP CRM implementation company with over 8 years of experience, and we specialize in Zoho, Salesforce, and NetSuite. We help businesses implement Zoho, Salesforce, and NetSuite. Not just this, we help them build custom modules, third-party integrations, user training and support, functional requirement gathering, end-to-end project management, marketing automation, AI, and third-party integrations. So the tools we work with there are Zoho, NetSuite, and Salesforce. We also deal in HubSpot and other tools related to being a CRM system. But the automation tools we work with are or iPaaS systems integration platforms as a service platforms are Zapier, MuleSoft, Boomi, and the other reasonable tools that can help, like Zoho Flow, can help businesses processes. Then the AI tools that we work are OpenAI, Claude, Agentforce, and Zobot. These are the tools that we work in implementing artificial intelligence within business processes and help them improve or increase their efficiency. Introduction to Zoho One. Well, what is Zoho One? Zoho One is a comprehensive suite of 45 plus business applications that help companies manage their entire operations from a single platform. It integrates tools for scales, marketing, customer service, HR, finance, IT, and more. Like as I said, it's a 45 plus business apps that help your business grow. Then it's a one window solution. That means all the applications that are in the ecosystem of those 45 plus business apps is basically manageable, expandable, and most importantly, it is under one roof, which means one window solution, which is like single source truth, a factor that is very, very important when it comes to managing your data or managing a CRM system. So, like why Zoho One is a one window solution? Well, all business functions managed under one system, eliminate the need for multiple software subscriptions, save money there, ensure smooth communication and integration across departments. Okay, and the objective is simplify operations, reduce cost, and drive growth. Okay, then what is Zoho One ecosystem? Well, let's go through the overview of Zoho One applications. So there are different verticals that Zoho One offers tools for. It is sales and marketing, finance, customer support, human resources, collaboration and project management, IT, and security. So when we talk about sales and marketing, we have Zoho CRM campaigns and social. When we talk about finance management, we have books, invoices, and expenses. When we talk about customer support, we have desk, assist, and sales IQ. When we talk about human resources, we have Zoho People, Recruit, and Payroll. Collaboration and project management, we have Zoho projects, clicks, meetings, and sprints. IT and security, we have creator, flow, and manage engine integrations. Unified platforms. All applications are accessible under a single login and can be managed centrally. So that means Zoho One is an ecosystem that combines all the applications in one place, and it becomes very, very helpful. Now, moving forward, what is the key features of Zoho One? The key features of Zoho One are single sign-on, centralized admin panel, integrated apps, customizable workflows, and mobile-friendly applications. So when we talk about single sign-on, we allow users to access all application with one login. They means they will access throughout the ecosystem just using one login process. That's it. Centralized admin panel, you can control all the users, their profile, their permissions, and everything from one single window. Integration app, real-time data sharing and process automation across the apps. That means the what is happening in desk is available in the CRM, what is happening in the marketing tool is available in the CRM, what is happening in custom apps built by Zoho creator is available in the CRM, and all that process can be controlled by blueprints, which is SOP management. Then we have customizable workflows where we can design workflows, reports, and dashboards to suit the specific business needs, which means that we can customize workflows and we can control the efficiency of those workflows. Then we have mobile friendliness. We uh, Zoho One app on the go is like mobile app, or it ensures flexibility, by the way, as well, and those type of things. Then Zoho One solution for business functions: sales and marketing, finance management, HR management, IT support and help desk, project management. So let's go through the each of these verticals and discuss some of the tools that Zoho offers to manage those verticals. So when we talk about sales and marketing, we have Zoho CRM, Zoho campaigns, and Zoho social. When we talk about finance management, we have Zoho books and Zoho expenses. When we talk about HR management, we have Zoho people and Zoho recruit. When we talk about IT support and help desk, we had Zoho desk and Zoho assist. When we talk about project management, we have Zoho projects. Okay, so if we talk about Zoho CRM, we can manage leads, contact, and deals. In Zoho campaigns, we can run email marketing campaigns. Socials, we can manage and analyze social data. Books, we can manage accounting, invoices, and expenses. In expenses, we can track employee expenses. HR management, we can manage attendance, leaves, and performance. We can streamline hiring process. We can provide customer support with ticketing. We can do remote troubleshooting and IT support with Zoho Assist, and we can do plan, track, and collaborate on Zoho projects. We also have Zoho sprints for sprint or agile project management tools or strategy. Well, Zoho One is ideal for what business size? Well, it can vary. Obviously, if it's a small business, one individual company, we there are other options. We have Zoho CRM Plus, Zoho CRM Enterprise. Okay, so there are different options. Then we have Marketing Hub. So the point is that based on your use case, a good consultant, someone who knows the system like us, would be able to assist you, like which apps would be best fit for your business and which apps should you be using to get the best ROI from the system. So Zoho One for different business cases, it's startups, small and medium-sized businesses, enterprises. So when we talk about startups, we talk about affordable tools to kickstart operations, access to enterprise-level software without high upfront cost. Small and medium businesses means SMBs, simplify and automate processes across sales, finance, and HR. Scalable tools to grow with your business. An enterprise, we have advanced customization and integration for complex processes, manage multiple teams, branches, and workflows under one platform. Okay, so Zoho One is like a one fit all, not a one fit all for solution for businesses. Obviously, depending on the size of your business, the size of customization you need, we can we can recommend either Zoho One is the best fit for you or not. But ideally, look at the price figure and look at the solution in the market. Generally, if you are one user company, you can still use Zoho One, and slowly, gradually, you can build up your app portfolio, like for using CRM, then using desk, and simply you can step by step you can implement more apps. Now, what are the benefits of using Zoho One? Obviously, cost efficiency is the most important, so you don't waste money on subscriptions and things that will become burdensome. You increase productivity because you automate the repetitive task and streamline workflows. Scalability, you easily add users and apps as the business grows. Enhanced decision making means the unified you have unified reporting and analytics, provide real time insights for better decisions. Ease of use, it's a user friendly tool, require minimal training to no training, and you can easily scale up your business. Okay, so we have cost efficiency, increased productivity, scalability, enhanced decision making, and ease of use. With this, the most important benefit of having Zoho One is basically the one window solution, which is like a gold mine for businesses, because the biggest issue with businesses making decision is when they don't have control over their data. So Zoho One gives them this capability where they can control the process, they can control the data they are flowing across the system. Okay, like what is now the question is, what is Zoho implementation process, Zoho One implementation process? Well, there are 5 steps in total. Okay, there are total of 5 steps in total, and the first step is business need analysis. What is your business, what challenges you're facing, or what solutions Zoho One offers. Then customization, we will understand which apps you will need, how much customization will be required to get your business in line with the application flow. Then we have data migration and integration, which means the existing data, the tools you are using, we will integrate those tools to Zoho One. We will migrate those apps data into Zoho One, and we integrate it to other system. Then we have staff training and onboarding. We can train employees on using Zoho One apps effectively. Then we have ongoing support and optimization. So we have regular update, optimization, and troubleshooting for business processes. Then case studies and success stories. So example one is a company A implemented Zoho One to manage sales and marketing. Okay, and the result 30% increase in sales efficiency and 20% reduction in software cost. Well, this becomes very important in terms of, like, you get 30% increase in sales efficiency and a 20% reduction in software cost. Then at the same time, you have implemented Zoho One to manage sales and marketing. Example 2, company B adopted Zoho People and Zoho Books. They streamline their HR process and accurate financial report, saving 50 plus hours weekly. And with that, there is another example of company C who used Zoho Desk and Assist for IT support and enhanced customer satisfaction and faster issue resolution. By the way, when we talk about Zoho Assist, it's a screen sharing platform, a secured screen sharing a platform where you allow to get access to your customer's screen, and you can resolve the issue on spot. So these are three different examples or case scenarios of how different size business or different vertical of businesses would be able to get benefit out of Zoho One. But aside from this, the biggest benefit, as I said earlier, is one window solution, because getting access to 45 plus apps, and every app is unique to a business process, is a gold mine for someone who really needs it. Let's say if you are event management company, you have pretty much everything you need as a business of event management. If you are rental company, you need whatever you need for rental business management, you have everything in there. When it comes to the success stories of like Zoho One implementation, there are certainly things that you can do better, and there are things that you can implement better in Zoho One to get best ROI and you become a success story. Because obviously, if you get everything in line in one single flow, one single pipeline, one window solution, then obviously you can get the best ROI from the implementation of Zoho One. Then we will talk about Zoho One versus competitors. So let's compare Zoho One to Microsoft 365 or Dynamics 365. Okay, so more application beyond collaboration and email tools. So there are applications, not just like basic marketing and collaboration. There are tools that are business use cases, and you don't have to build everything from scratch. You already got application full fledged running, and you just need to optimize them and you start using them. Then we have Zoho One versus Salesforce. It's pretty much cover entire business operation, not just the CRM. Well, Salesforce is not just a CRM, by the way, right now, because they have acquired a lot of businesses through the process, like MuleSoft, like Slack, and other businesses. So, but when we compare Zoho One to Salesforce, and this is a unique comparison. Okay, well, the biggest benefit you get with Zoho One is the price tag. You get the good amount of value in lower price first. Secondly, you get access to a lot of apps which are easy to manage, good UI and good user experience, which you don't get in the Salesforce. Then you have Zoho One versus standalone softwares. So integrated tools ensure no data silos, offering better efficiency and productivity. So Zoho One is better than standalone softwares. The key advantages: it's cost effective, flexible, and have seamless integration. Okay. Then why choose Zoho One? It's an affordable all-in-one platform, one subscription for all essential tools. Seamless integration means it connect all departments and share real-time data effortlessly. It's customizable and scalable, means tailor apps to your unique needs and scale as your business grows. It's a centralized control system, means manage user permission and data from a single admin panel. Easy implementation and support means the time frame to implement Zoho One is comparatively less as compared to if you go for Salesforce or any other tool. So it's a quick setup, user friendly, and blocked by dedicated support. Means backed by dedicated support. So let's see Zoho One in action. By the way, so before we conclude, we let's do a quick demo of how Zoho One looks, how different apps are available, and how you can improve your processes in implementing each of these apps. So we won't be getting very much into detail. We do have a detailed video on the pro and cons of Zoho One on our YouTube channel. Okay, but we will soon be like going through the applications of what Zoho offers and the different options we have. But Zoho One apps work together, like how Zoho One apps work together, we will go through it. We'll go through the applications, the verticals, and the options we have, and what are the cross app integrations available. So let's get started for a demo. I hope you guys can see my screen here. So this is the interface. When you sign up for Zoho One, this is the interface you get. Okay. And what I would do is search for Zoho One here as well, just to show you and one important thing that I believe we missed in the slides is the pricing structure, because Zoho One pricing structure is unique. It's not simple. It's not straightforward. Okay. So this is the UI of the Zoho One. This is the menu bar where we have more apps. Okay. So if you click on more apps, these are the apps that I've already agreed to use, like I've assigned, but there are unassigned app to 31 unassigned app. So let's go through each of these just quickly. This is bookings for just like Calendly. This is CRM system. This is support system. This is marketing automation for managing high level marketing, B2B and B2C marketing efforts. This is meeting just like Zoom. This is Sales IQ, which allow you to track your website visitors and initiate chats. This is connect to integrate to socials and your leads. Data prep is data lake, like you put in data and then you prepare the data for further analysis. Inventory helps manage inventory, process orders. It also connects to Shopify and Zoho native commerce, Zoho commerce as well. Flow is just like Zapier. It allow you to connect to other tools. Then we have analytics, which is like Power BI tool. Then we have creator, which allow you custom app developments. Then we have PageSense. If you have use Hotjar, it's like a substitute to Hotjar. Then we have projects, which is project management tool. Then let's go to unassigned apps. We have contracts to manage contracts, e-signatures and stuff. We have landing pages to create like landing converting landing pages. We have notebook to create notes. Team inbox, we can create inbox just like Slack. Then we have affiliate marketing management system for Thrive, Zoho Thrive, which allow you to create marketing systems. Work Drive is just like Microsoft 365. We have sheets, we have everything in there, right? Sheets, presentations, and everything. Then we have begin. If CRM is too much for you, like Zoho CRM, then you can use the basic early startup business sales process, which is begin. Then we have e-commerce platforms, Zoho Commerce, Backstage for event management, campaigns for email marketing campaigns. Zoho forms are like landing page forms or lead generation forms or other forms, and it has a lot of good features in there. You can build automations. You can it's just like Jet Forms or Google Forms, and the good part of here is it integrates with the CRM easily. You don't have to pay extra for that. Then we have landing pages, say sites, Zoho sites, Zoho socials allow you connect to post on all the social media platforms automatically from one single window. Then you have surveys, you have Thrive, again repeatedly click. You have just like Slack. The docs management is like includes a folder management system just like Google Drive. Then you have Learn, you can create LMS. Then you have email just like Outlook and Gmail. Management systems, you have Zoho Mail. Notebook, Sign, e-signature just like DocuSign. Okay, sprints, this is like a project management in agile. Fault, team inbox. Vault is like software management tool. Then you have assist, uh, in terms of like assist is basically remote support system. Lens is augmented ar virtual reality software that allow you to visualize things in ar. Okay, then you have billing, subscription, books, checkout, expenses, invoices, payrolls. Like payrolls are available only in 2 to 3 markets at the moment, but they will soon be available in other markets as well. Then you have the subscription, billing, expenses, checkout, like people's and recruit, this is for hr. And then you have contracts. So these are pretty much like, some of them are repeated, but majority of them are the tools that a business needs to improve their processes and pretty much get their things done. Now, as we have already covered the apps, now something we need to discuss here is very important, is the setting tabs, because it's a one window solution. So obviously getting or creating things should be easy. So we will cover the dashboards as well. As you saw, there are dashboards over there, so we'll cover those as well. But just to go through the settings, it's taking a bit time because the streaming software takes a lot of bandwidth in terms of loading and stuff. So let it load, please. We got this. So now we have different options available here. So I will just close. Okay, we have dashboards, management, directory, stores, market, left hand side, which is like pretty much all the options that you can get in. We have dashboards, we have organizations, which allow us to customize the applications that we are assigning to users. Then we have users, where you can register users. Then we have admins, groups for applications, like group of applications, sales applications, marketing applications, and those type of things. And then we can assign it to different groups as well. Then we have domains, access or set up an application. Then we have controls, where we can define the policy, how the application will be controlled. Then we have security, where we have the option of defining the security of how the control will happen for this these apps. Then we have device management, where we allow the ips and not allow the ips, those type of things, like what authenticates a device and stuff like that. We have directory stores to store user sessions, marketplaces to like link Zoho One to external marketplaces. And we have reports to build out how the usage is and those type of things. So the main thing, if we look at towards the idea, is that it's a one window solution that allow you multi-factor authentication, device type, groups, security policies, and everything in one single dashboard. So that's very important. That's like a win-win factor for a lot of businesses, because the reason it is like that is because it allows businesses to improve their overall process. It allows businesses to improve their efficiency. It allows how they are doing it. So let's get back to our screen for a moment. I just stopped sharing. I will just share it, start sharing again. Just give me a sec. Okay. So now, just to go through the basic details. Okay. So we have Zoho One, the operating system, because that's the important part. I will just go to pricing for a moment. That's one of the issues that I face a lot with the streaming software. It makes my stuff slow. Uh, hopefully we will have a better connection and things, and we are looking into options of a better streaming software, so we don't have to challenge face these challenges of like hanging and stuff like that, which happening, by the way. But yeah, so okay, so we have two type of pricing. All This is one of the key things when you are making a decision. Now, all employee pricing is basically a pricing structure where you, if you opt for employee pricing, by the way, this is the yearly pricing. Okay, if you go for all employee pricing, the benefits is that you get a very low subscription price per month, and the downside is that you have to buy license for every user that you register. So that means 45 plus apps. Everyone would be able to you when whoever whatever user you register, obviously you can control the access to the app, but you can assign them any app you want in those 45 plus apps when all employee pricing. But you have to uh, register every user, and you have to pay this price for every user. Now flexible user pricing is different. What it allows you to do is, let's say you go for flexible user pricing. You have 10 employees in your company, 5 are the management employees that need access to 3 4 apps. You register them as flexible user in the system, okay, and the rest of the fives, they just need access to Zoho Creator. So what you're gonna do is, you do the math, like, okay, if I buy 10 licenses for Zoho One, it will cost me this. If I buy 5 licenses for Zoho One separate and 10 licenses for Zoho Creator, and then do the calculation, I save money buying Zoho Creator licenses separately for those 5 people, because then I can manage it. Okay. In that way, what would happen is that you pay, you don't have to register everyone through Zoho One. Okay, you just need to register those 5 people who need Zoho One multiple apps. Rest, you won't add Zoho Creator as an app in Zoho One, because where we add apps, you don't add as Zoho Creator as an app. Instead, you sign up separately for Zoho app and keep it out of Zoho One, and then Zoho Creator, and keep it out of Zoho One, and then you register your users on Zoho One, on the monthly subscription, and that saves you money. Okay, then that means you only pay for 5 users for Zoho One package. Rest you can manage the license of Zoho Creator separately. But in all employee pricing, you can't do that. You have to have one simple structure. By the way, this is a very catchy thing. It's fish baiting, a sort of, I would say, strategy that obviously you will go for this option, because at the end of the day you will be paying high on this. Because if you calculate prices of Zoho Creator, that would come around 30 $40. If you go for Zoho campaigns, that will same goes for that. If you go separately on Zoho CRM, that same goes for that. So this is one of the finest options that most businesses choose. But in some cases, do businesses choose this option as well, based on their business structure. But obviously, if you consult and a consultant who knows how Zoho pricing works, how Zoho structure works, they can consult you and guide you how things can be done better. Okay, now let's go back to our presentation, and let's conclude the presentation, so that we have the conclusion here. So as we went through the demo of what Zoho One offers, how Zoho One works, and what are the different possibilities in Zoho One as a system, and how we can improve our processes in Zoho One using different applications. Now, let's conclude this. So, Zoho One offers a unified, scalable, and cost effective solution for managing all business operations. That's one thing. With its 45 plus integrated apps, Zoho One simplifies processes, improves collaboration, and drives business growth, right? Then it starts your digital transformation today with Zoho One. Like this, like the idea is that if you want to have a single window solution that helps you manage cost, that helps you manage processes or operations in a single process or single dashboard with the same ecosystem, then Zoho One is the right fit for you. And majority of the businesses use on average 8 to 9 apps, not more than that, because not every app is built for every business, and not every business has the bandwidth to use every app. So, but at the same time, you get a very good price structure there. It's hardly like $35, $37 per user per month on an annual plan, which is very reasonable if you look towards the market competitors. Just the CRM, if you go into the market, we won't be getting a good CRM less than $30 $40 a month. So this becomes like a no brainer for everyone, that instead of, like, even we have if we go for all employee pricing, we still save money, because we have this. Now, one important thing I want to highlight here: you can save cost with the portals. In Zoho CRM you have portal, in Zoho Creator you have portals, in Zoho Desk you have portals. In the analytics, you can share dashboard with external users. So that's where you have, if you define like what is the need of your user, then you can define that if this is the need of my user, this is what I need. And based on that, either you can decide either you for a customer portal or you go for the full-fledged software. So that was it for today, and we are open to questions from our audience. If you have any questions, any queries, obviously you can reach out to on Wahid at consult2manage.com later on. But if you have any questions right now regarding any of these topics, feel free to reach out, because we will be happy to answer your Zoho One inquiries. So that was it for today. Any questions? Please drop it in the comment section. I would be happy to answer that. And with this, thank you very much for your time, for your valuable time, and putting all the efforts to listen to us and giving us the time. We will be scheduling 3 more. Like every week, we have 3 sessions at the moment. We will get it to daily sessions, but 3 sessions we have next week. We will be publishing them today or tomorrow. And then, if you have any questions, any queries regarding those sessions, feel free to reach out, register for them, and we would be happy to help you out. So stay tuned, stay connected. We will be looking forward to talk to you soon and go through more details in this process. Okay. Thank you.